Hey everyone, BM here. If your container plants are yellowing, stunted, or just looking sad, you're not alone, and it's not just bad luck. Container gardening is a different world. One small mistake can throw off the whole system. Today, I'll show you the 7 silent killers of container plants, and exactly how to fix them. The number 1 killer? No drainage. If your pot doesn't have holes, water pools at the bottom, suffocating roots and causing rot. Always use containers with drainage holes. If your favorite pot doesn't have them, drill a few, or use it as a decorative cache pot with a plastic nursery pot inside. This way, excess water escapes and roots can breathe. Healthy soil needs to exhale. Drainage is non-negotiable. Don't use garden soil in pots. It compacts, suffocates roots and stunts growth. Instead, use a light, fluffy potting mix, 1 part compost, 1 part cocoa coir or peat moss, and 1 part perlite or coarse sand. This blend keeps roots happy, airy, and growing strong. Mix your own or buy a quality, pre-made potting mix. Overwatering is the most common way to kill container plants, even with perfect drainage. Roots need oxygen, not just water. Constantly wet soil leads to root rot. Use the finger test. If the top inch is dry, water. If not, wait. Try bottom watering for small pots to encourage deep roots and prevent surface sogginess. Let your plants dry out a bit between waterings. They'll thank you. Small pots mean cramped roots, fast-drying soil, and stressed plants. Choose a pot at least twice the width of the root ball, bigger for fast growers like tomatoes. More space means healthier roots, fewer watering headaches, and bigger harvests. Don't be afraid to size up. Bare soil in containers dries out fast and stresses roots. Mulch with shredded leaves, straw, or compost, just an inch or 2 on top. Mulch keeps soil cool, moist, and weed-free, and adds nutrients as it breaks down. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. Nature never leaves soil bare, neither should you. More fertilizer isn't better. Too much burns roots and stunts growth. Wait a few weeks after transplanting, then feed with a half-strength liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Gentle, steady feeding is key. Less is more when it comes to container plant nutrition. Don't let your pots sit in one spot all season. Rotate them every time you water for even sun and growth. Move struggling plants to better spots. Container gardening is all about flexibility. A little movement keeps your garden healthy and balanced. There you have it, the 7 silent killers of container plants and how to fix them. Tweak just a few of these and you'll see your plants bounce back fast. Container gardening isn't luck. It's about creating the right environment. You've got the playbook now, so get out there and grow. Drop a comment below with your biggest surprise or toughest plant problem. Thanks for watching. See you next time.